Oh yes, guys. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good evening, good evening. So I make I greet and appreciate and a lot. Good evening, everybody. This Vera TV program. I'm back again. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you all for supporting me. Thank you, everybody. So Ogboge matter I want to talk about today is about matter where they go on for social media ever since about last lady and mother-in-law. So that is the topic of today. We still want to talk about our Ogboge topic. We won't be so one use what to touch today. So God will bless and appreciate my love for supporting me, for being there for me. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys. So now, so what you want to talk about? I be that one because wetin dey go on now, e don get as e be, because I dey wonder why some people go see truth, they don't like to say the truth, they no go like to talk the truth for where the truth dey. My people, they don't like to talk the truth for where the truth does, which is very very bad and obvious. When you see truth, talk the truth for where e dey, talk the truth where you suppose talk am. Because now when e be say this last lady, wetin dey do to her mother-in-law, is it good? When e be say people now dey clap her for her and say wetin dey do so e good, how e take make sense, how e take good like that? Because this advice is for people when e be say they support last lady, when e be say they tell am say wetin dey do good, when they do video say wetin last lady dey do mother-in-law good. This life, wetin you know say they no go do, you no do person. Wetin you know say you no go want, no like, no do person. No say person do you go pain you, no do am to people. Because I wonder why people don't like the truth, when they don't like to stand for where the truth dey. Is very bad and obvious. Let's be frank and sincere. Wetin last lady they do, you no good, and people they come outside say na sir, this one don't know, they do video about am. Because me, I don't see many mother-in-law when he wicked. Even for Bogo, get one of my friends that time when I know when he be say, he get mother-in-law. If you use fish cook, na problem. If you use soup, if you buy meat, they cook, na wahala. Nothing when that girl they do when they satisfy her. You understand me? But that girl still they please them. You see, they help and wash clothes, see help and they clean room, see they plate the mother-in-law hair. Upon waiting the mother-in-law still they do am. Okay, let to be frank as say now the one they support the last day they say wetin they do good. This life, wetin we know say what you know say they want to do, you not do person. Because all those kind of talk and a bad mother-in-law, that woman is not wicked. When you look at that woman is a nice and good woman. She's a lady wey be say good. If not some mother-in-law when it dey bongo, don't don't deal with last lady long time. Last lady get 23 years old daughter for us, she not talk. Pikin, that first pikin they call Kevin. People when you get eye go no, you don't use the mouth talk for life. You just say Mama Gladys go they tell say Papa Kevin, not be Papa Kevin. Now you be Papa Kevin. Everybody know say Kevin not be pikin. Now Senegal man they say brother pikin. Mona listen to that last lady first child. Mona look the children. Mona look that senior guy. Mona see say that first pikin not resemble those children. And the way he speak, we know how those Gambia take they talk, all those Senegal take they talk. The way that boy speak, you will know that yes, is truth. So many people stop all those rubbish. We say at the end, they won't call the phone say, now they're not bad. They won't call the lie up and down. It doesn't make sense. Because all those kind of things not good. You understand me? All those kind of things don't make sense. Many mother-in-law do when they wicked. We the one when they happen for Italy when they carry go for head. Una forget. When she come out, when you got they do video, more than 100 video for the matter, una forget. Of which mother-in-law never even do one to her. Just the mother-in-law not like her. And did she not get character too? The woman said they insult her. Last lady not get character. She they come social media call they pretend. She's a pretend human being. She love pretending. So they should leave that woman alone. And when they do video, they tell say, "May last day they go they beg, mother-in-law call they beg last day. They beg her for what? Beg her like seriously to beg who? Like as in what happened when she walk out the beg? Because what they don't do to them, now they do to people. Lo. Because now they support last day, they now say what you do good. If you know say you get some, people now they do all those things. You know good. This one are just hatred, bad belly. That woman who get eye look that woman, you go know say that woman is not a trouble somebody. She not get problem. Let's say the carry pikin run come Germany. That woman from Italy come Germany come greet the children. And then they say the woman a wicked woman. If na some women, if you come Germany and fight, she go carry come. She get paper, nothing that go feed one. Now fight she go carry come, but that lady no, she no carry fight come. She no carry fight come Germany say okay make God dey fight them. Now they say na bad person. And are the useless senior daughter when see they support them. Thank God una born. Wait till una do this woman they'll still do it to una. All those one when you see the truth when they bend the matter they say that because no Bruno. No Bruno they the pain. So it's normal, it's good like that. Oh, they touch you for what through there because all those things when they do so it don't make sense. You understand me? Last say they not get character one, she dey lie too. Last say the way deny say not get pikin for Nigeria. She be at the end of the year she don't leak. That is first pikin when he born when be Kevin. Not be that my born at why not go bring blood test? And the Gambian man is coming, the Senegal man is coming for that child. She's out there pretending. Say people don't know say pikin that pikin not be that boy getting. Now that maybe now that first that girl. Now he start to the born for that boy. We call quickly the born for the boy to tire. There are some things where be say some mother when they not like you, the way you do things, it will make the mother-in-law to like you. It get one at that time when the be say the mother-in-law they like to the warrior. You know say the mother-in-law want know the kind of character when she gets. Because you know we women if we come call the phone go Samaritan, they phone this, they phone that. The mother-in-law call the phone say she they worry this lady. She go they disturb her. If you cook, go say the food not sweet. If you do this, go say not do well. If you wash the cloth, you go say the cloth not clean. Make you repeat the cloth, make you wash her. Abuna not the same. If she go repeat the clothes, she go wash her 3 times. She not know say the mother-in-law they do and make she take know the kind of human being she be, whether not pretend, you won't pretend come with family. The girl will still worry. If you buy something, you go say what you buy off it took us oh, hey, one go shop it picking money finish oh, hey. They don't know say this woman they do want to know the kind character when the wife gets. As he do that lady rich, he go say, "Hey, mommy, I beg, I don't say go vessel. Which one say make I do now? Which one? Okay, this one not good. They come make I take kitchen, I cook another one." She the wife not even know say the mother-in-law to they do to know the woman character. You know when use pepper hand follow and made the wife not what they pretend. You can't they do like say they punish you son wife. The lady go say, no, the clothes not clean. Hey, I be wash them. He go say not clean. He go say, yeah, I beg, mommy, I beg. I go wash them. He go start again. He go begin to wash them. I mean, no first go feed one. He go begin wash them. He go cook. He go say this food now she wash up. This one I cook will not be they say. Now this food he wash up. If you cook coffee, he go say the food not sweet. He go say na ripe plantain and crayfish and oil. May slice the right plantain small. Not be not so those food one they cook not they don't. But let go they pay me this one that one. The guy go find right plantain back. He go come slice and small. He go come put big crayfish. He go say me is it cut the hair come out of the hair that the take cut come out. The guy go start cut. He go cut come out. He go come cook. He go say grand crayfish put no put some maggi no be food one they cook no. Your pack maggi put food not they don't. The time when they cook now so the food now 3 hours they spend for fire. No. We put for fire now where they come out. The lady don't know say he the one know the kind person you. The lady go say no wahala. He go sit down for the food. He go sit down near the food. They go they cook for them. Until when he go come for the mother-in-law man say they drop the food. Now he go take drop. He go say you pass. The guy go see that say oh he will still happy. But on a good day, now the mother-in-law call and say, "Come, my daughter. I never see a wife like this before. You are a very good girl. All those things have been doing ever since. I want you to know whether you get good character. This one when they talk so she don't buy clothes. Those clothes, see, he buy 6 type. He don't buy a kid. He don't tie no. He buy and keep. He buy a bag and shoe, hair tie. Just want to say poverty maybe, and because the boy not get money, they get money. You understand? He can't buy and finish. He can't keep on. He can't call the girl. Call the teller. Say he like you. All those characters when they show, he won't use and know the kind of human being you be. Whether you be picking when they not trained, whether you be picking when not get character, whether you be picking when you go they curse me, whether you be picking when you go they lie to the open eye, they throw word, they talk at me as in I talk to you, you talk to me back. I don't view her for more than 2 months, I be 3 months. You are a good girl. This clothes take. Those things when I pass for ground take. Now you are buying for. The guy cause mama. He say yes. He say you be wife when my pikin go tell live till he old. This one be say they say not be move you. This one a real life story. He say you are the woman. I my pikin go tell leave. He say another woman not dey join you. Now me talking. This one not be saying because my mother-in-law choose and give the boy you. Now the boy bring the girl come. He accept am. But the way the mother-in-law come they use this lady, he come be like say the girl na witch or one or two things. But the girl cope with her. He go see do the thing. He go say, ah, mommy, easy, I beg, mama, no vex. I don't know say I not doing well. Teach me. You understand? You know all those things when the mother-in-law they do. Now to know the character when she gets. Now to know the kind of human being she be. Whether na pikin they not train, whether na pikin not get good, we not get respect, we not get character. She come see and say, the girl na good girl. When did the girl come talk when he touched us that time with the mother-in-law? He say he loved the boy, he loved the husband. Okay, now him mother-in-law, he not go come love. As soon as they talk, say the boy love last lady. May last lady still love, as last lady say he love the boy, if he really love the boy, he still need to still love the mother-in-law. No matter what he will do to you. Because you they use that eye they say now because of you my husband, that because of you when they toss now because of you my husband, still use that they look the woman and respect the woman, say no matter what, because of my husband, I love my husband, and make I cope, make I love my husband too. Now wait till that lady talk. He say I love my husband, but I come I still say you don't love me, I don't know say you love me. All the tests, thank God I pass am. Why I dey do all those things when I go mistake, you go tell me say wetin I do no good. It's because I love your son. I want to deal with her as a woman, as a wife. I don't want to leave her because I come here now, you know accept me. But I want to do everything possible for you to accept me. Now here and so say because why they do at that time, he never even know say mother-in-law love her more. He want you know the kind of character when he get up. He say because I love your son. You understand? He said, because I love your son. Now it make me, anything you say I do, I not do where they try to please you. I still want to make you love me too. Me want still love you as I love your son. I not say me no, you know, he said she no say one day all those things will end for good. He say in mind they tell her, no matter what mother-in-law they tell her, you don't wash the cloth well, you don't clean this place well, you don't cook well, the food not done well. He say in mind, because he love his son, in mind they tell her say one day will end for good. At the end, he can't really end for good. When the mother-in-law come buy clothes, buy bag and shoe, buy hair tie, everything, 6 years of clothes, 6, buy a different color, buy give her. So you are a good wife. You are a wife. You be picky wife, daughter-in-law when they tell they proud. I love you for that. You only see some women, any small test they go fail them. And this our sister no say now test the mother-in-law they test them. They just test you some more you fail. At the end, they go say now the mother-in-law no good. You know what all those women passed through years ago. You know what they passed through for that mother-in-law. If all those women say me that they use some for we now, we don't fit stay husband house. Even me as I did so. We not go fit stay husband house. Say we want stay husband house. No, we can't. But let to be frank, as I say, when you have a boy, ask me this so. My friend say my mother-in-law they in Nigeria, but at the time I did respect her. If he talk to me, I did hear. You understand me? I never open my mouth one day, no matter sometimes when we say go talk, but I see they give her that respect. Because why? I born girl, I born boy. Because what do to others what others will do to you. Because now cause any mother-in-law swear for person or mama swear for person a problem. When you go say as you do me na so pikin go do you. Or daughter-in-law as you do me so na so pikin when you still born he pikin your pikin wife go still do you. Now big swear if some people don't know. So let our hand be clean. We should stop blaming that woman. That woman is not good. She's a nice woman. Some mother-in-law when they create one will say for Italy when they come off where they can't beat the daughter-in-law. That is a woman or not see her. When they can't join the pikin they beat the daughter-in-law. You not see her. When I say this woman too such, no say this woman too such. No. So let's stand for the truth. Let's talk the truth for where the truth is. It's very, very important. So that story when I just finished, I make people use and learn. If you are a young girl, never married, learn how to tolerate. Learn how to respect your mother-in-law. Learn how to know how to do things, material, how to cook, how to do things for us. But at the end, this girl he passed the exam. She say he failed Amoko. He passed am because he say he love his son. He don't care wetin mother-in-law do. Anything mother-in-law say make he do, he go do. Anywhere he send and go, so far if he go and come back, he go. At the end, she's not a lucky woman. She's enjoying her marriage, right? You see, they enjoy her marriage now. They don't born. You understand? So now wetin we need to learn be that. Now wetin we need to know now be that one. No, they curse that woman. No, they curse Mike. Mama said that woman not good. Mike, as for you, I pray may your eye clear so that you will know mother is mother. Who not get mama, they cry. Like person like me, now me not get. I they cry for 2 eye. You will get them, they use on the throw ball. You they use on the throw football. You they use on the throw football. You they use on because of woman. You they insult your own mother. I pray. May your eye clear by special grace of God. So now, so my people, God will bless them. Thank you for my topic. This is my pursue the entire state. Please, this is your first time. Please don't fail to subscribe to Vera TV program so that anytime on live video, we know what they do my live. Now press that bell so that you will fuse and follow me. Thank you guys, and I appreciate you all. Thank you. All right, bye for now.